Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to change text color on YouTube Shorts. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Alright, open YouTube. Click on plus and start recording. Click on accept and click on text. Click on done. Alright, how to change color. Click on text and click on edit and click on color, change color. Alright. Click on done and click on next. Click on left corner pencil, change preview, click on done. Write title, visibility public, and click on save draft or upload short. That's all.